title of the project is Sound Energy Harvesting and Converting to Electricity. Here is an abstract of the project. The Sound Energy Harvesting and Converting Electricity project explores the potential of sound as a clean and renewable energy source. Unlike established methods like solar or wind power, this research focuses on creating a novel approach to energy generation. The project involves designing, building, testing, and evaluating a device that converts sound waves into usable electricity. The key components used for project are metal cone diaphragm, solenoid, neodymium magnet frame, electrical connections, voltage regulator, data acquisition system, light emitting diode, interconnection wires, soldering kit, rechargeable battery, and housing. Here is the working of the project. The device utilizes a metal cone diaphragm to vibrate with sound waves. These vibrations cause a solenoid to move across neodymium magnet, which induces electromotive force, which is known as EMF, for electricity generation. The study aims to assess the effectiveness of sound as an energy source and evaluate the device's ability to convert sound energy into electricity. Here is the conclusion of the project. The SEHCE Sound Energy Harvesting and Converting Electricity project explores the potential of sound energy harvesting for generating electricity. While the original details might be limited, this exploration has provided a framework for understanding the core principles and potential implementation approaches. Thank you.